Hey everyone. Welcome back to Smart for Home. If your FireStick remote is suddenly blinking orange and not connecting, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you why it happens and how to fix it step by step in just a few minutes. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and let's jump right into it. What blinking orange means. When your FireStick remote blinks orange continuously, it means the remote is in discovery mode. It's trying to pair with your FireStick but cannot connect. This usually happens due to low batteries, Bluetooth interference, remote not paired, FireStick frozen, using a new remote. Now let's fix it. Fix 1. Replace remote batteries. FireStick remotes drain battery fast. So first, replace the old ones with fresh alkaline batteries. Remove the back cover. Put in new batteries. Wait 10 seconds. Now check if the orange light stops blinking. Fix 2. Restart your FireStick. If the remote can't connect, a simple restart often solves everything. Method 1. Using TV. Unplug the FireStick from power. Wait 20 seconds. Plug it back in. Method 2. If remote is partially working, hold select plus play/pause for 5 seconds. Fix 3. Repair the remote manually. Your remote might have unpaired from the FireStick, so let's pair it manually. Stand close to the FireStick. Hold home button for 10 to 12 seconds. Release. Wait for the on-screen confirmation. If it pairs successfully, the orange light will stop blinking. Conclusion. And that's it. One of these fixes will definitely stop the orange blinking on your FireStick remote and get it connected again. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more FireStick tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.